Your CPAP mask is essential for your therapy, but it only works properly when its parts are in good condition. Over time, the cushion or pillow can soften or discolour, like this one, breaking the seal that delivers steady air pressure. When that happens, your therapy becomes less effective, leaving you tired and unrefreshed. The headgear and straps are just as important. With use, they can stretch or the Velcro can weaken, meaning your mask doesn't fit snugly. A loose fit can cause air leaks, noisy airflow, and even discomfort during the night, all of which make your treatment less effective and harder to stick with. And don't forget the filter and vent. They collect dust, bacteria, and fine particles over time. Without regular replacement, those contaminants can flow back through your mask, increasing the risk of irritation or infection. Replacing these parts on schedule keeps your mask clean, your seal secure, and your therapy effective, helping you breathe easier and sleep better every night.